Welcome to our channel. In the last session, we discussed MVT architecture. The architecture is used by the DesignGo for developing web applications. So now in this session, we are moving to creation of an app. What is mean by app? An app is simply a web application. For example, if you are creating a project, the project consists of different apps. Assume home page. Home page is called a app, also called as a web application. Suppose contact form. This is an app. Suppose sign in page. This is an app. Sign out page. That is an app. Different apps are available for a project. And what is the main principle that Django follows? Django follows loosely coupled. Loosely coupled means one component does not depends on another component. That means the components are developed independent. That is the reason in Django the apps are created very fast. Now we will move to how to create an app. Before creating an app, you need to follow some prerequisites. What are those? First step is your system must and should consist of Python. Yes or no? First step is install Python. So if your Python is not available, directly go to python.org, download and install Python. After installation of the Python, before creating an app, we will follow some steps. Parallelly follow first step. Step 1. Create a virtual environment. What is mean by virtual environment? Simply the memory space. In that only we are creating the project. Simply some partition of the total memory. Virtual environment. The name of the virtual environment is your choice. You can use any name. You can use any name. For creating virtual environment, this is the syntax. This is the syntax. Now, step by step, parallelly, we are creating the virtual environment. First to check whether the C drive contains any name with the same folder it contains any name. Yes, already contains. I am removing this one for your understanding. I am removing this one. Okay, now the C drive does not contains any name. Now first step, go to command prompt, cmd. Here, type the command. What is the command? Python space minus m virtual environment. Here, you can give any name. Not only Nagaraju, you can give any name. That is virtual environment. All our Django projects are created in this environment only. Press enter. It takes less than 1 minute. An environment is created. An environment is created. Yes, now check whether the folder is created or not. Go to same path. What is the path? C users hash. That is the path. C users hash. Check in this path. Yes, Nagaraju folder is available, which includes these messages. These are the files that are available in the Nagaraju folder. Okay. Yes, is my first step is completed? Yes, perfectly. My first step is completed. Environment is created. Now I am moving to second step. Even though the environment is created, but it is not activated. You need to activate the environment. You need to activate the environment. So, how? Simply see this one. Within that one, we have scripts folder. Under scripts, we have activate batch file. You need to execute this one. How? Go to the folder. cd space Nagaraju. Under this folder, cd space scripts. Remember, first I am navigating to the folder Nagaraju and then navigate to the folder scripts. Here we have a file activate.bat. Once you press enter, then only our virtual environment is activated. Now observe the scene here. An environment is created. Now everything we are doing under this environment. Okay, clear. So two steps are created. Not two steps, indirectly only one thing happened. What is that one? A virtual environment is created. Now you install the Django module. You need to create web application. You need to install the Django module where everything is happened under scripts. Now this is the syntax for installation of Django module. Now see step by step here. Observe under this virtual environment Python -m pip install Django. Press enter. See this one, it collecting all the information. In less than 1 minute, the Django module is installed in your system. So what are the steps? First to create the virtual environment and then activate the virtual environment and then create and then install Django. Successfully install Django. If you want, you can check the version how Django minus that is hyphen admin. Django admin hyphen version. Here you need to check the version of Django that we are going to use. Okay. Now, what are the steps completed? My installation is also completed. But we are not creating the project. Understand the point carefully. We just install the Django module. Now, the step is you need to create a project. That is, you need to start a project. The syntax is Django admin start project. This is the command that we are going to use, followed by name of the project. Here you can give any name of the project. Here you can give any name. So actually this is my first project. That is the reason I am given the name as the first project. Okay. Now Django, sorry, spelling mistake. Django admin. start. We are starting project, not an app. Remember, a project consists of multiple apps. First, you need to create a project. Under this project only, you are creating an app. You got it? Start project. Assume my project name is first project. Press enter. Okay, now a project is created. Check whether the project is created or not. Go to the same folder, scripts. Observe a first project. It is created. Under this first project, again two things. One is first project, another one is manage Python file. Again, this first project consists of some files. Okay, so whenever we are moving on, we will discuss all the files. Okay, no problem. Now, what happens? Just now a project is created, but just a project is created similar to virtual environment. In the virtual environment, what we are doing? We activate exactly in the sense we need to start the server. We need to start the server. That means run the Django project. Run the Django project. That means first you are navigating to the project and everything from now onwards, everything is happened under this one. That means a Django can consist of any number of projects. Now, which project want to run? You want to run first project. So navigate to the first project and then execute the Python file with the command run server. Then only the Django project starts execution. Finally, cd first project. I am navigating to the folder. Once you navigate to the folder, then what is the command? Python execute the file manage.py run the server, press enter. See this one. So Django version is developed starting development server at this address. Starting development server at this address. Copy that one. Go to Google Chrome. Not only Google Chrome, you can open any web browser. You can open any web browser. Simply copy that one. Press enter. See this one. You got one message. The install worked successfully. Congratulations. That means my Django project is installed successfully. Now you are ready to create apps. You are ready to create your apps within that Django project. That is, what is that one? First project. Okay. So these are the prerequisites for creating an app. Okay. Now, so that's all for the today's session. In the next session, we will continue with how to create an app within this project. Thank you for the today's session.